Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to use AI in real project, a B2B SaaS product video. I'll walk you through it step by step, showing where AI makes sense and where you still need a human. I'm the founder of Lava Media, a video marketing agency. We specialize in creating and distributing video content. Let's go! Part 1. Preparation. I won't surprise you here. Before anything else, you need to know who you are making the video for, what you are promoting, and what message you want to deliver. Here are the main scenarios, and they'll completely change your video format. Your audience is investors. Your goal is pitching. Keep it under 2-3 minutes. Focus on market opportunity, use stock footage or AI video. Show your team. Shoot that part for real. Visualize your technology with 2D or 3D animation. Your audience is potential users. Your goal is traffic and leads. A series of short videos always works best here. Each video covers one specific product benefit. Runtime 6 to 15 seconds. Use AI to create super familiar visuals your audience instantly recognizes, combined with 2D animation. Your audience is website visitors. Your goal is conversion. You're already doing SEO and building separate pages for different audiences and their pain points. Your videos should strengthen your highest traffic pages and repeat the key points in a visual format for people who don't like reading. Runtime up to 60 seconds. Again, AI video for relatable visuals, plus 2D or 3D animation for things you simply can't film. If you are into video marketing, subscribe to my channel. This is where I talk about all of it. Once you've nailed down your goals, it's time to collect references. This step is about figuring out what style and design you actually like. Here how we do our research using Gemini or Claude. Prompt 1. I'm a market at company X. Here's our website. We have this product, this target audience, and we operate in this market. Find 15 of my competitors and share their websites. Quickly check a few of their results. Make sure they're actually your competitors. They don't have to be direct competitors. If the AI misunderstands your product, just refine the prompt. Prompt 2. Find the YouTube channel link for each of these companies and send them to me. Then go through the list, open their channels, see what they've been making, and build your own shortlist. Nothing specifically what you like about each example. I'll drop all the prompts from this video in the article linked in the description. For example, when we were preparing for our briefing with our client MPD, we had a complex challenge visualizing how the system navigates a decision path. In the briefing, we showed a screenshot with a note saying we want to create something like this. An abstract space with movement line from one decision to the next. Another screenshot showed how we'd integrate the actual software interface into that space. The key decision at that stage was what style of 3D do we want? Photorealism, isometric, minimalist, abstract or textile. Here's what we ended up with.
Set up brand national traffic splits from offsite media to key retailers. Launch retailer-agnostic ads designed to drive shopper engagement. Use AMP's agentic shoppable media links to intelligently route shoppers to their preferred retailer. Move at the speed of culture by using retail commerce data to optimize media buying and creative themes in real time. AMPed, the enterprise platform that simplifies commerce from brand national media.
A reference doesn't always equal the final result, but it sets the direction for the art team's visual exploration. For 2D animation, you choose between frame by frame or shape-based animation, and then pick a specific illustration and motion style. Rough script. Now let's write a first draft. Prompt. You are a scriptwriter specializing in B2B SaaS product videos. Write a script for a video. Then describe your product, its benefits, the value it delivers to customers, your target audience, your core message, and the action you want viewers to take after watching. One option I really like. Record yourself on a voice memo. Talk through everything, your product, its benefits, the user journey, all of it. Then ask the AI to first transcribe it, word to word, and then run the script prompt above. You'll get a solid first draft, sometimes a final draft where our scriptwriters barely touch what the AI writes. You can usually improve the script further by adding a real monologue segments from your team. That said, I wouldn't hand the whole thing to AI. It might drop something important or add things you never said. For complex or abstract scenes, especially graphics and AI sequences, you need more specific visual examples. For MPD, we'd already set the design direction with the first round of references. In this round, we showed concrete examples of what that abstract space could actually look like. Since the video included AI-generated scenes with characters, a woman at home and a marketer in an office, we also pulled Pinterest images showing what the characters might look like, what they'd be wearing, and how the location would feel. A modern creative open-plan office like Google or a modern formal corporate environment. Here's a quick summary of what typically gets approved at the concept stage, depending on your video type. Live-action shoot, location, first example, then a specific shot list, and how it will be decorated. We used to make collages. We'll shoot here with this desk, these wall clocks. Character style, assuming it's your team. Otherwise, you'd be doing a casting process. AI visualization, same approvals as live action, location, set decoration, characters, wardrobe. Today animation, the team draws 2-3 keyframes and separate character designs based on the approved references to lock in the final style. 3D animation, static mock-ups of key scenes and key objects, approved colors, textures and materials. In a recent project, we built a 3D model of an insulin pump and approving the materials for every internal component, metal, plastic, and so on. It was critical. Stock footage plus graphic templates. For each scene in the script, you find and approve the stock clip either by sharing links or cutting a rough assembly edit. Then production begins. Cameras roll, illustration get drawn, 3D objects get animated. Each video type has its own layers of detail and steps inside. If you want to go deeper on any of these, I'll link in the description to several SaaS project case studies. So, where does AI actually fit in all of this? There are two ways AI plays a role. AI generates video footage for you, or AI supports you as a tool throughout the process. Should you generate footage with AI? If you need to film your team and their talking head segments, I'd still shoot that for real. Your team is your biggest asset and you don't want to fake AI feel here, even with all those impressive AI avatars built from real photos. After that, the choice depends on what kind of shots you need. With the MPD, it would have been easy to pull stock footage of the woman in the scenes, but we couldn't find the right combination of character types, locations, and poses on stock sites, so we generated with AI. Even 2D and 3D animation can be done in AI. In other project we made an AI-generated pixel-style animated shot with animals, and without AI that video simply wouldn't exist. And animating in Pixar quality costs tens of thousands of dollars per second. In other cases, traditional tools are the better call. On a medical device project, we needed stable shots of the device internal components. AI would have produced too many errors and glitches. In 3D software, we have full control. That's why we tell clients at the scripting and references stage exactly where and how to approach each part. Some things with AI, some with 3D, some with a camera. AI also shows up throughout the production process in ways you might never notice. Our team at the studio uses DaVinci Resolve for editing and color grading, and it's packed with AI features from focus adjustments on already filmed footage to reconstructing a best audio take from a voiceover artist. To wrap it up, whether you're working with a freelancer or an agency with AI or with 3D, making a great video always starts the same way. Define your audience, your goals, and your message. Collect examples you love for style and storytelling, then bring that to your production partner. You are welcome to bring it to us at Lava Media, a link in the description. See you next time.